Hello friends, I am Rohit and today we are going to learn how to activate and start maintaining inventory in Tally. First, I will create a company. Selection of state is very important because it helps us maintain the statutory requirements of that particular state. Once we select state, all the statutory fields of this state are given in Tally. Before I start working, I will create some ledgers which would be helpful for me to maintain sales and purchase in Tally. So I go to ledgers and create. I will create a purchase account 5% under purchase account. I have not activated the VAT, so it's not coming here. To activate the VAT feature, I press F11, F3 for inventory, and here I say enable VAT yes and enter TIN number here. Now the VAT field has come, yes, and purchase account 5%. I can have another purchase account 13.5%, yes, purchase account 13.5%. Now I will have some sales account 5%. Now sales account 5% basically means is that VAT applicable on this sale account is 5%. Sales account 13.5%. Use in VAT returns yes. What kind of sale account is it? It is sales account 13.5%. I require some duty ledgers, the VAT ledgers. I make it here. Output VAT 5% under duties and taxes. It is VAT here, output VAT and output VAT 5%. Now VAT is generally not rounded up, so I am choosing not applicable. Output VAT 13.5%, duties and taxes, output VAT. I would like to have some ledgers on input VAT also. Input VAT 5%, input VAT 13.5%, VAT, input VAT and input VAT 13.5%. I still don't have any supplier or customer, so I will create some. I will create a supplier 1. It comes under sundry creditors. No. Here in set alter VAT details, I'll put yes. He is a registered dealer and will be having some TIN number. You can enter the TIN number or the CST number if it's available here. I'll make a customer He is my debtor, and he also is a registered dealer with a TIN number. TIN number is generally of 11 digits. So I have created some ledgers in Tally which will be helpful in doing sales and purchase entries. Now I will go to accounting vouchers and make a purchase entry first. So purchase is F9. I'll press F9 or this purchase button. I am making a purchase. My voucher date, the goods, I received the goods on, let's assume, 5th of April. Supply invoice number. This is very important because this field, this number which I mentioned in this field, will be picked up in my statutory forms. Now this date can be same or different also, because first you make a supplier, the supplier makes his invoice and then sends the goods. So he could have made this invoice on 2nd of April, dispatched, and I received the goods on 5th. I do not have any items created. I can create the items here only. So what I'll do is I'll go out into the Inventor Info, and first I'll create units of measures. Now I'll create another unit, kgs, kilograms. Now in kilograms we would be requiring decimal places, and in kgs we have 3 decimal places to work with. Similarly, we can create as many units as we want. Now I will create some items. Before creating items, I create some groups. One is Philips, Samsung, I can have a Dell group. Now I will create some items. Dell laptop. Set modified default ledgers for invoicing. If this field is not showing on your Tally, go to F12. Specify default ledger allocation for invoicing. Yes. I can also activate other fields also, like standard rates for stock items. I can give yes here. Now Dell laptop comes under Dell group. It's sold in pieces. I will put some standard rates here. I am purchasing this laptop for 19,000 rupees, selling it for 20,000 rupees. Duty is 5%. I can create another item, Samsung LED TV 32 inches. Again yes. Sale account 13.5%, purchase account 13.5%. Group is Samsung, sold in pieces. The standard rates I am setting for the TV. I buy it at 28,000 rupees. My purchase rate is 28,000 plus input VAT, and I sell it for 30,000 rupees plus output VAT. I will create another item, Philips Air fryer. Yes. Another sales account 13.5, purchase account 13.5, Philips pieces, standard rate is 9,500 is my purchase price, and I sell it for 10,000 rupees. In this way, I have created about 2-3 items, and I'll just see how we can enter the vouchers. The purchase voucher first. I am putting the purchase voucher on 5th. My supplier invoice number is 12. It is dated 2nd. It has come from supplier 1, and I bought a Dell laptop, 2 numbers, purchase account 5%, Philips air fryer 5 pieces, purchase account 13.5, and Samsung TV 6 pieces. I would also be having some input. The supplier must have charged me VAT, so 5% is here. It is 13.5%. If I mark it yes and detailed, it gives me exact detail on the basis of which input VAT has been charged. Now I'll make some sales also. Sales are under F8, sales account. I'll sell to my customer 1. I'll sell a Dell laptop, 1 piece here. I'll charge output VAT. Again, on 8th, I'll sell something to my customer 2. Philips fryer 1 piece, and Samsung TV 1 piece. I will charge output VAT 13.5%. I can again sell it on, customer comes on 13th of April. This customer 1 comes to me again. I'm giving him good service, so he comes again and buys a TV, 1 piece. In this way, I have purchased certain goods, sold certain goods, and now if I want to see the stock summary, this will show me the goods group wise. So when I enter Dell, I know I have 1 piece of Dell laptop left with me. In Philips, 4 pieces of Philips air fryer left, and Samsung about 4 pieces left here. And if I want to see all the items together, I press F5 item wise. So this is the inventory closing balance which is with me. If I want to see my total purchase, sales and closing balance, I go to F12 configure, and here I will mark show opening balance yes, goods inward yes, goods outward yes. I can activate the other fields according to my requirement. Now it is showing me I did not have any opening stock. It is showing me what I purchased, what I sold, and what is my closing balance. One more feature which is very good in Tally is In accounting voucher, let us assume I again sell to customer 1. I am selling him a Samsung LED TV 32 inches again. Now, you can notice this field stock query here. If I press Alt S, it is telling me I purchased Samsung LED TV from supplier 1 at 28,000 rupees, and on 13th, white bill number 3, I sold to customer 1 my Samsung TV for 30,000 rupees. So the history of the same product sold to the same customer is being noticed here. In this way, I know that last time I charged 30,000 and again I will charge 30,000. So there is no problem with the customer. If I want to know the movement of my goods, I will go to display, statement of inventory books, movement analysis, and first I go to stock group analysis. It is telling me Philips air fryer from 1st April to 13th April I bought 5 pieces and I've sold 1. Similarly, if I go to group analysis and choose sundry debtors, so it is telling me to my sundry customers I have sold 1 piece laptop, 1 piece fryer, 3 pieces of LED TV. In Samsung TV, if I enter, it is showing me to whom I have sold these 3 pieces and what is the rate at which I sold. Now this movement analysis is very useful to calculate who were the customers and from whom I bought the stock. In inventory books, I can have a stock ledger from this place. I want to know the stock of Samsung LED TV. It is showing I bought 6 pieces, sold 3, and if I enter this field, it is showing me the exact details of my purchase and sales. You must have noticed that I have applied input VAT and output VAT on my transactions. So now I want to know what is the VAT I am supposed to pay to the government, or whether something is payable or not. So I go to statutory reports, VAT, and VAT computation. The whole computation of my sales and purchase as far as VAT is concerned is showing here. Since my input VAT is more than my output VAT, I don't have to pay anything. If I enter output VAT 13.5% here, it is exactly showing me what is my sales invoices and the VAT amount which I have charged. You must have noticed I did not enter the TIN number of customer 2, so it is showing blank here. In this way, we can also maintain our VAT reports and our VAT filing becomes very easy. I will be showing you advanced inventory features in my next video and how to do e-filing in subsequent videos. If I go to the profit and loss account, the P&L account has been created in a Jiffy. It is showing me my purchase accounts value, my gross profit, sales account, and closing stock. So my net profit is 7,500, which I believe is very good as a startup. Today, we learned how to activate and maintain inventory in Tally. Please subscribe to Discover Tally, my YouTube channel, to know more about Tally. Thank you.